Good morning, friends. Welcome to the first session of geometry and mensuration practice sessions. These sessions are primarily for SSC pre and mains examination. As you know that in SSC examination, generally number of questions are being asked from the topic of geometry and mensuration, and the level of question they ask, we cannot say that's too much complicated as compared to CAT or any other management entrance exam, but they are very basic in nature, and few questions are there that may be complicated. So in these series of sessions, we try to cover all the previous year questions that have been asked in SSC. As you know that in SSC questions are also sometime again and again they have been asked. That means if you have watched the question how it can be solved, so that is somewhere in your mind that if the same question comes again to you, you can easily answer it, right? The level of question that we have taken, they may be simple, they may be moderate, and they may be complicated, it depending on the previous year papers. Let us start with this session, first session of geometry and mensuration. You may connect me on my Facebook at Dinesh Miglani. My WhatsApp number for any type of query, if you want to consult with me, 092-155-14435, or you may send your suggestions at my email ID legalbuddy@gmail.com. For more videos updates, you may subscribe on me at YouTube at Dinesh Miglani. One request from my side, share these videos on your Facebook wall as well as with your friends, as well as send links to your friends on WhatsApp, so that more and more people will be benefited with this effort. Thank you. Let us start with the first question of this session. It is given that PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is parallel to RS, right? QPT is equal to 115. This angle is 115, right? And PTR is 20. This angle is 20. Okay, I have to find angle SRT. That angle we have to find out. Now, if you simply draw this line parallel, this angle is 115. This angle will be 115. They are said to be corresponding angles, right? Now, this is 115. This is 20. Now I can say in this triangle, this angle is external angle to this. It means 20 plus 115, this is 135. Hence I can say angle SRT is equal to 3, that is 135. What we have generally taken here, just drawn in such a way, then 115, this is 115 plus 20, 135. External angle of a triangle is always equal to sum of two opposite internal angles. Hence answer is said to be third one. In the given figure, RT is parallel to line SQ. This RT is parallel to SQ. I have to find what is the value of X, right? X means I have to find the total one. Now what I can say, this is 110, this is 30. Sum is 140, right? It means that is 40 degree. Total is 75. It means this angle is 35. What I can say, angle QSR is equal to 35. अब देखो अगर QSR 35 है, ये 60 है, तो 35 प्लस 60 कितना हो गया 95. इसका मतलब SQR कितना हो जाएगा 85 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ट्राइंगल्स के तीनों एंगल का सम कितना होता है 180. ठीक है, तो SQR कितना हो गया 85. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, इट इज गिवन दैट SQ इज पैरेलल टू RT. क्वेश्चन में गिवन है SQ RT के पैरेलल है, राइट? इसका क्या मतलब हुआ, SQ अगर RT के पैरेलल है तो ये एंगल 85 है, तो ये कंप्लीट कितना हो गया 85 हो गया. इफ दिस इज 85, तो आई कैन से दिस कंप्लीट इज 85, दैट इज X, राइट? हेंस आई कैन से आंसर इज सेड टू बी फर्स्ट वन. 85 डिग्री इज माय आंसर, बिकॉज हियर S में हमें ये कंप्लीट एंगल चाहिए, एंगल TRQ. वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस कंप्लीट एंगल TRQ. Sorry, it is given that RT is parallel to SQ. Sorry, RT is parallel. It is given that this RT, by mistake they have made it that single RT is there. RT is parallel to SQ. They have just drawn this line by mistake. That is T. That whole axis you have to find out. 85 is your answer. Let us have the next question here. EC is parallel to AB. This line is parallel to this line. And BOD is and BDO is equal to 20. Find angle OBD. OBD, that angle we have to find out. This is 70. It means this is 70. This must be 110. That you can say this is 70 because these two lines are parallel. So this is 70 degree angle AOD because they are corresponding angles. Then this is 70. This is 20. This must be 50. Angle OBD. Hence I can say third is my answer, 50 degree. In the following figure, BOP 2x is given, right, and AOP is 2y, means equally divided. Now we know that I have to find angle COD. COD means I have to find x plus y. I know that in a straight line, sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. If I add all, I can say 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. It means x plus y is equal to 90. Hence I can say this x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Second is my answer. Angle COD is equal to second 90 degree. Let us have the next question. We have to find angle BOC. BOC. It means I have to find this complete angle. Right. Now what I can say? This is 40. This must be 40. This is 31. This must be 31. That we can say. It means this is 40 plus 31. We can say that is said to be 71. That is 71. Right. Or I have to find angle BOC. So what I can say? The complete angle is 180 and this is 35. Subtract 180 minus 31. So we can say 180 minus 31. Answer is 149. Hence 2 is my answer. Right. What approach we have taken here? क्योंकि हमें एंगल BOC निकालना है. BOC में ये दोनों एंगल इंक्लूड है. ठीक है. और जो CD स्ट्रेट लाइन है इसका मतलब क्या है? अभी ये कंप्लीट एंगल कितना है? 180 का. तो उसमें से अगर हम 31 डिग्री माइनस कर दें तो वी आर बीइंग लेफ्ट विद 149. सेकंड बिकम्स माय आंसर. Find y if x is equal to 36. Right, x 36 से y निकालना है. We know that sum of all angles is equal to 360. ठीक है, सबको ऐड कर दो. कितना बन गया? 3x plus x 4x. राइट, और x कितना है? 36. तो कितना हो गया? 144 plus 6y. सम इज इक्वल टू 360. 6y कितना हो जाएगा? 360 minus 144. We can say 216. तो y कितना हो गया? 36. That becomes our answer. राइट, तो यहाँ क्या कह सकते हैं? What is the value of y? Value of y is 36 degree. ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. In the adjoining figure, APO 42, APO 42, this is 42, and CQO 38, this is 38, right? We have to find angle POQ. ये एंगल निकालना है. देखो ये 42 है तो ये भी 42 हो गया. ये 38 है तो ये भी 38 हो गया क्योंकि लाइंस पैरेलल है. पैरेलल है तो इसका मतलब हम ये कह सकते हैं if lines are parallel, so we can say the angle would be same, right? Now our answer would be 42 plus 38, 80 degree becomes my answer. Hence I can say third is my answer, right? Let us have the next question here. In the adjoining figure, AB is parallel to CD. ये दोनों sides parallel है. PQ, QR intersect at AB, CD at EFG, H respectively, right? Given that PEB 80, this is 80 given to us, this is 120 given to us. हमें x फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, देखो ये 80 है क्योंकि लाइंस पैरेलल है तो ये एंगल भी कितना हो जाएगा? 80 का. राइट, 80 है, अंदर कितना हो गया? 100. राइट, इट मींस external angle of a triangle is sum of two opposite internal angles. It means x must be 20. Second is my answer. Let us have a statement check in again. 80 डिग्री, ये भी 80 हो गया. 80 है तो अंदर वाला कितना हो गया? 100 डिग्री का. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? एंगल QGH कितना हो गया? 100. अब देखो ये 120 और ये 100 है तो एक्सटर्नल एंगल पता ही है, अभी दोनों अपोजिट के इक्वल होगा. कितना आंसर हो जाएगा? 20 डिग्री. 2 इज माय आंसर. AB is parallel to CD, DE is parallel to BF, right? We have to find the value of angle X. AB is parallel to CD. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये 40 है तो ये भी 40 हो गया. राइट, क्यों? ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स हैं, जेड शेप एंगल्स. अब दिस इज 40, दिस इज 65. कंप्लीट कितना हो गया? 105. इसका मतलब ये कितना हो गया? 75. राइट, अब देखो अगर ये 75 है, ये दोनों साइड्स पैरेलल हैं, हमें पता है कि पैरेलल साइड्स के इंटरनल एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है? 180. ये 75 है और ये x है, दोनों का सम कितना होगा? 180. तो 180 माइनस 75, आंसर इज सेड टू बी 105 डिग्री. थर्ड इज माय आंसर. राइट, व्हाट वी हैव डन 40 65. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये पैरेलल लाइंस हैं तो ये भी 40 हो गया, 105 हो गया. अभी 75 हो जाएगा. ये 75 और ये दोनों का सम 180 होता है. आंसर इज 105 डिग्री. AB is parallel to CD. BOD is 152. I have to find angle ODC. ODC find करना, right? Now what I can say? Draw one more parallel line here. This is 118, and that would be 180 minus 118. What I can say here that I have drawn one more parallel line in such a way. Let us have the figure here. This is given in such a way, right? This angle is 118. Let us draw one more parallel line. So we know that sum of these two is equal to 180. So 180 minus 118, this is said to be 62. Now total is 152, it means this is 90. It means that must be 90 because sum of these two is equal to 180 degree. Third is my answer. Right? So these questions are based on the property between two parallel lines, sum of angles is always equal to 180. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC, right? BAD 90, CBD 28, these angles are given. I have to find angle ABD. ABD, which that angle I have to find out, right? So what I can say, very simple question, because AB is parallel to CD, right? It means these are alternate angles 65, the sum of these two is equal to 65, right? अब देखो अगर दोनों का सम अगर 65 है, ये 28 है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 65 माइनस 28, 37 डिग्री इज माई आंसर, क्योंकि आंसर में हमें क्या निकालना है, एबीडी निकालना है। तो एबीडी में क्या है, क्योंकि एबी पैरेलल टू डीसी है, एबी पैरेलल टू डीसी है तो एक्सटेंडेड होगा तो ये भी पैरेलल होंगी। 65 है तो ये भी 65 हो गया, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स हैं। 28 है तो 65 माइनस 28, आंसर इज 37 डिग्री। सेकेंड बिकम्स माई आंसर। In the given figure, angle A is equal to 80 degree, B equal to 60 degree, C equal to 2x, BDC equal to y, BD and CD bisect angle B and C, find x and y. Angle bisectors हैं, right? Now you know that angle bisector theorem you know. If in this, let us say this point is O, this point is O, because they are internal angle bisector, so we can say angle BOC equal to 90 plus angle BAC by 2, ऐसे ही होता है, राइट? एंगल बाइसेक्टर, इंटरनल एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स हैं। अब देखिए ये 80 है तो हमें ये पता है बीओसी कितना होगा, 90 प्लस 80 बाई 2 40, तो वाई कितना हो गया 130, वाई का वैल्यू 130 आ गया, ठीक है? तो 130 मतलब आंसर क्या हो गया, थर्ड वन, बिकॉज वाई इज 130, राइट? तो हियर आई कैन से माय आंसर इज सेड टू बी थर्ड वन एंड एक्स इज इक्वल टू 20 डिग्री, राइट? दैट बिकम्स आवर आंसर. The measure of the angles of a triangle are 2:7:11. Find the measures can be found very easily. Sum of the angles are 180, 2, 7, 9, 11, 20. So we can say 40. That is 2, 7, 20. It will go 9, 18 degree, 63 degree and 99 degree. Second is my answer. In the given figure, we have to find value of y. Right? What I can say? This is 5y. This will be 5y. Vertical opposite angles. Now 5y plus 5y plus 2y, राइट? तो सम कितना हो गया 12y, 12y का वैल्यू कितना 180, तो y कितना हो जाएगा 15 डिग्री. थर्ड इज माय आंसर, राइट? क्या किया आपने, फिर देखो एक बार, ये 5y है, ये भी 5y हो जाएगा, वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल, अब वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पर है, ठीक है? हमें पता है कि सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180. इसका मतलब क्या बना 10y प्लस 2y 12y, तो 12y इज इक्वल टू 180, तो y कितना हो गया 15 डिग्री. थर्ड इज माय आंसर. In the following, the measures of three angles are given, in which case angles can possibly of that of a triangle, right? We know that it is only possible when sum must be 180, right? Here it is not 180, that's not my answer. When you look at it, 63 plus 37, 100, right? 100 plus 80, 180, that may be it's my answer. When I look at this, it's not sum 180. When I look at this, sum is not 180, hence I can say fourth is my answer, right? Because he is simply concerned with angles आर ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल, और ट्राइंगल के एंगल का सम कितना होता है 180, तो आई कैन से फोर्थ इज माय आंसर. इट इज गिवन दैट एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, सी डी इज पैरेलल टू ए, सी डी इज परपेंडिकुलर टू ए पी, एंगल ए 65 है, सी बी ए फाइंड करना है, सी बी ए फाइंड करना है, ठीक है? तो क्या कह सकते हैं हम लोग, व्हाट वी कैन से, सी डी इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन दैट, दिस इज 90. We can find out that that would be 90, right? And this would be 25, because I can say sum of the angles is equal to 25, right? अब देखो, that is 25 because I have to find the angle CBA, right? And angle C equal to 9. Sorry, that angle is also given, that is equal to 90 degree. That's a very simple thing. Angle C is 90, so 90 plus 65 we can say 155, and that angle must be equal to 25 degree. First is my answer. Angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the angles of the triangle. Very simple. 2, 3, 5, 4, 9. We can easily answer it. I have to find sum of all the angles, right? A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F. When I look at it, A plus C plus E, F plus B plus D. Sum of the angles of two triangles. We know that angle of a triangle is 180. The sum of the angles of two triangles is equal to 360. Hence I can say first is my answer. In that joining figure we have to find sum of the angles. It's a pentagon, right? We know that internal angles of a pentagon. The formula is very simple. N minus 2 into 180 degree, right? Because it's a pentagon, the N must be 5. 5 minus 2 into 180. So I may say 3 into 180. 3 into 180 sum is equal to 540 degree. Hence I can say second is my answer. 540 degree. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. Let us have the next question here. In the figure, value of x which could make ABC a line. We want ABC a line, right? If ABC is a line, it can be only possible when sum of the angles to be 180. So just add all the values. 4x minus 30 plus 3x equal to 180. We can say here that 7x minus 30 is equal to 180. Let us say 7x minus 30 equal to 180. From here I can say 7x equal to 210 or x equal to 30. Right? The answer is when we take x equal to 30 degree, in that case that ABC will become a line because sum of the angles on a line is always equal to 180. Let us have the next question here. The sides BA, DC of a quadrilateral are produced in the figure. Which of the following statement is correct? Right? We know one simple thing that quadrilateral sum of the angles to be 180, sum of the angle to be 360. देखो ये A है तो अंदर कितना हो गया 180 minus A. What I can say y plus 180 minus A plus x plus 180 minus B equal to 360 degree. That we have. Now 80 plus 8, 180 plus 180, 360. Here I can say y plus x equal to, if I take there a plus b, that we have. Hence I can say third is my answer. X plus y equal to a plus b. That is my answer, right? We have taken this simple association. A है तो ये 180 minus a हो गया, b है तो कितना हो गया 180 minus b, right? अब हमें पता है क्वाड्रिलेटरल के इंटरनल एंगल का सम कितना होता है 360. सबको ऐड कर दिया. थर्ड इज माय आंसर. x plus y equal to a plus b. Answer is third one. Let us have the next question. In the given figure, angle BAC 30 degree, ABC 50. These angles are given. We have to find angle AED. This angle I have to find out. What I can say 50 plus 30 80. It means this must be 100. ये 100 है तो ये कितना हो गया 80. 80 plus 40 120. This must be 60. I have to find AED. That is 120. First is my answer. Means very simple questions. Only these are based on the general property used. Because in SSC, you know that questions are not that much complicated. Generally, they are simple in nature, but they are practice required, right? So that's why all properties must be in your mind. Here I can say AED is equal to 120 degree. First is my answer. Right? Let us have the next question. We have to find angle BDE. BDE, that angle I have to find out. 90 plus 40, 130, that is 50. 100 plus 50, 150, this is 30. Hence I can say second is my answer. Angle BDE is equal to 30 degree. Second becomes my answer. Let us have the next question here. We have to find angle CEF. CEF. That angle we have to find out. These two are parallel. This is 80. This must be 80. Right. This is external angle to this triangle. This is 80. This is 25. This must be 55. Hence I can say angle CED is equal to 55 degree. Second becomes my answer. I hope you enjoyed the session. Although the questions that have been taken in this session are not that much complicated, but it's a general advice to you because in SSC we don't have every time complicated questions. In SSC pre and mains exams, the level of questions are comparatively simpler as compared to the CAT level. So in this series of sessions, I am going to provide you 30 to 40 sessions on geometry and mensuration, and side by side we are going to increase the level because here my plan is very simple to cover all different varieties of questions. Either they are simple or they are complicated, so that if a student who watches all my 30 to 40 sessions of especially for SSC pre and mains examination, first he will be comfortable with all the properties because almost every property question I will take in that. And the second, after having all the property in his mind, all different varieties of questions of previous year papers, so that when he finds a question in the examination, something must be in their mind and he can easily answer the question. Thank you very much.